Happy New Year, everybody! This is 2024, and I especially welcome you to the Julia Inspired Lifestyle channel. Woohoo! Finally, the 2024 is here. Like, we have even gone a little bit far into the month. I had to take the needed break, guys. I'm sure you took time to rest, you took time to enjoy yourself, and you took time to plan out your 2024. Say this to yourself: 2024 is my year. This is the year that you do mega money moves. All right, believe it when I tell you this. You got to develop a winning attitude in this particular year. Learn the things I teach you. Let me tell you one secret that is going to help you in 2024. Follow this channel, like the videos, watch the videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel in this particular year, and make sure you don't miss anything. You know why? This channel itself is a life-changing channel, and I'm telling you, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the things that you're going to do in this particular year. You don't even need any other expo. If you follow the things I'm going to tell you, I'm going to be talking about this year how to plan out your goals, how to save, smart ways to save, how to increase your earnings, and how to multiply your money. This is the reason why I do what I do. I want people's lives to be changed, and you don't need to get another job. You don't need to just learn this particular skill that I'm talking about almost on daily basis. And in the next few videos, you will see some of the money moves we've already done this year. Yes, even though I haven't been putting out videos, we've been doing some things in the community and making some money in dollars. So this year, quit wasting money. Quit wasting money. So today, I want to talk to you about something, and that is the things you have to stop doing this particular year. Tell yourself, these are the things I'm going to stop doing. If it means writing them down, please write them down. I want you to stop spending money on the wrong things and start spending money on the right things, because your life will change in the next 12 months. And believe me when I say this, stop spending money. Make this year about you. Make this year about you. I see a lot of people who spend money to impress somebody. This year should be you and you alone. You have done enough for others. Sometimes you need you to be able to help others. You are going to have you to learn more, to grow more, so you'll be able to help a lot of people. Because I keep saying this, our bills never go to rest. It never goes on leave. Rather, it's constantly knocking on your door, and most of the time it's bringing the relatives, bringing the cousins, the sisters, and the brothers. So you need to know this. To be the kind of person you desire, you must separate yourself from the things that are pulling you down. So you have to be a blessing. How do you become a blessing? You have to fill your own cup. You are going to cut off people that do not serve you. Some people in your circle, you have outgrown their friendship, but you're still there because you are thinking that if you leave them, the worst will happen. Sometimes you need to leave some people to be able to grow into the new person that you deserve and you desire. So start your new year on a right foot. Get clarity going into this new year. Stop doing some of the things that you do before that don't give you results, and you're expecting them to give you new results. Nothing changes when nothing changes. I hope this makes sense to you. Stop impressing people. You matter. Keep your eyes on the prize. You need money to do a lot of things. Even to do charity works, you still need money. Why am I saying this? You need to skill up and upgrade yourself. If this year you want to look into the remote work, then take the class. Okay, take the class and get the skill. The good thing is that skill stays with you for a very long time, for as long as you live. That particular opportunity stays with you. That's why I'm saying this. So keep your eyes on the prize, that this is the skill I am going to do. And you're going to elevate yourself by keeping your spending under control. I'm going to talk about this in the goals that we're going to be setting. You're going to look at certain things. I want you to look into keeping your spending under control. I want you to write down the kind of things that are important to you every month, things that are like fixed. like your some kind of your bills, like light bill, water bill, gas, fuel, transportation are kind of fixed. Look at those ones. Then the ones that don't really matter, you need to start cutting them so that you become the kind of person you want. You are going to make some sacrifices. I'm telling you the truth. I'm not going to paint and give you one story that overnight you're going to blow. It doesn't happen without some process. Okay, this year I want you to look into creating a savings account. Create an account you can have some money, whether it is money you want to spend during Christmas or money you want to use as an emergency money in case something happens, or money you intend to push into the investment account to be able to grow for you. I want you to have in mind that this year you're going to develop an emergency savings account, or a Christmas savings account, an investment account, and then you can gradually begin to plan your retirement, because they will definitely come depending on whichever age you are in. So I want you to do something for me. Write down in the comment section 2 goals you want to set this year. When you write in the comment section, get a notebook and write the 2 goals. I will tell you later what you're going to do with the 2 goals. So write the 2 things that no matter what happens this year, these particular 2 goals, you will not miss them. And I want to see you write it, because there's power in writing something down. The universe is seeing you, God is also seeing you, and God will start bringing all the necessary things, tools that you need to use, and that will help you to make a plan. And the next thing I need you to do, you're going to make a plan. You're going to make a plan to have a set of actions so that every blessed day you will know what you're supposed to do. And then the last part is, there are some things you don't need. You probably don't need a new car. Maybe you're trying to get a new car. You don't need a new car if the one you have is at least serving you. You need to put in that money into something that would grow for you. So, and you also need to listen to positive stuffs. Go to places where you get good information. Go to YouTube channels where you get motivation, you learn something. Example, this channel, because I'm teaching you things that will help you in life, which maybe in the next few weeks or months you'll get to appreciate it better. So give your money a purpose. That is one thing we do in our community. We give our money purpose in the Money Circle community. We make sure that the money has somewhere it's working for us, so that it can help us to take off all the burden and create time for our family. So instead of getting another job, you learn a skill that you can do from the comfort of your home, from your workplace. This year, be intentional. Be intentional. So this week is another opportunity for you to make some money, and I'm always here to give you some ideas that will give you directions and give you some dollars. If you have been watching this video up to this moment, I'm sure you like the content that we put out. Please like this video, subscribe, comment, and share. One of the best things you can do for people is to share valuable information to them. I want you to be able to share this information to your friends. I want you to be able to do that, and I'm sure you can do that. I can't wait to see you in the next video. This particular video is to open your eyes and prep you and prepare you for 2024, and I will see you in the next video.